Wait, so let's just chat about product. Should guys know there's hairspray and some gel, but there's a lot more out there today than those two things.
Oh, for sure. There's so many different looks and so many different styles of pomades and creams. And here we go, talking about cream again. I'm very hungry now. Even in pomade, there's matte pomades. What's a matte pomade? It's going to give you more of a natural...
That's my favorite.
Yes.
Might say
it's going to give you more of a natural lived-in look. Because pomades tend to be shiny.
Right.
So when anything that has the word matte on it is going to be more of a natural, dry look, not shiny.
And that's great for people because I don't like too much shine. I like it matte.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Now for me, normally, as you can see, like today, I'm wearing.
Oh, you just wanted to brush your hands through your hair like
just
that.
like my hair.